What is up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking the Chainlink US dollar pair here on the chart. We can see the similarities of this pattern with Bitcoin and also with Ethereum. Look, we exploded out of this resistance area, as you can see, for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Is the same thing going to happen with Chainlink? If altcoins, large cap altcoins, lag behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, this means we are waiting for this explosive breakout in the next coming days. And if you are interested in trading this opportunity, you want to do it on Bybit or on Femex, guys, I've got links in the description where you can get the best bonus out there. And if you're signing up from the US or the UK, you'll be needing a VPN. The link is in the description also. And check out this comment from Dario Kelm. Thank you so much for the video of yesterday. I made 70% profit with the diamond pattern. You are the best. If you checked out my last video, you know I was talking about this diamond pattern and the potential trades. Now you maybe want to get ready for this Chainlink explosive breakout. We'll be checking out the US controls almost 40% of Ethereum nodes, and together with Germany, which has 21%, dominate the rest of the world, and JPMorgan launching crypto exposure basket featuring MicroStrategy, N Square, and Grayscale, firm behind leading Bitcoin trust, is hiring ETF specialists, and wave of institutional clients at Goldman Sachs are diving into Bitcoin and crypto markets. All of this in today's episode. Before we start, make sure to smash up the like button, guys. Not this one. I don't know who did this, but I am not happy at all. You need to click this one here and subscribe also for coming updates. And let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Taking a look at the Chainlink US dollar pair here on the 4-hourly, look at the similarities of Chainlink, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. We have created this ascending triangle, and we are looking for an explosive breakout in the next few hours potentially, guys. Look at the similarities of this support trend, also the resistance, and also resistance and support here in the past. And look at Bitcoin. We basically mirrored it. Look at this resistance right here, creating the resistance of the ascending triangle, and also the support coming to the upside. And we've had this explosive move, guys. Don't you think by looking at this chart, it's going to happen for Chainlink very, very soon? So this is what I'm looking for, Chainlink, this explosive move. If you did not get into this trade from Bitcoin and Ethereum, you might have a chance here with Chainlink. And if you want to trade Chainlink, you want to do it on Bybit or Femex, guys, links in the description. You'll be getting the best bonus out there. Yesterday, I was talking about the Chainlink US dollar pair forming this huge cup and handle formation, but now I like more this ascending triangle. It is a bullish pattern on top of a bullish pattern, so it is very, very likely that we are going to see a breakout to the upside here for Chainlink, but maybe also it could happen to the downside. But all the technicals seem, it looks like it's going to be to the upside. The measured move would be getting the lower part from the ascending triangle to the resistance, and from the breakout, this would take the Chainlink price all the way to the $40 range, guys. But if we break to the downside, we might come all the way down to the $21 area. But I believe we'll be getting good support of this uptrend here around the $25, $26 area. I am looking more for an explosive move to the upside. $40 is the trading target, guys. Maybe potentially taking profits at all-time high, which is at $36. This is the potential trade that I got for you guys here for Chainlink US dollar. Taking a look at the BTC US dollar pair, it is just absolute craziness now. Here, the green box from the resistance of the ascending triangle, we broke out of it. You know, the measured move is round about the $60,000 range. So taking a look here from the breakout, we are creating like a megaphone pattern. If we get a line here from the resistance area, it's very, very difficult. A lot of noise right now. Maybe the support area right here. It is kind of like a megaphone pattern. So we're just bouncing here and getting wider and wider. It is very, very likely that we might break to the upside here and continue to the upside, nearly reaching the $60,000 range very, very soon, guys, in the next few hours or the next couple of days. The idea would have been Bitcoin coming all the way down to retest the support here of this ascending triangle to continue to the upside, but that did not happen. Best buying opportunity would have been right there. I have been scaling out of my position, so I have got 50% out of profits. I'll be scaling out while we arrive to the $60,000 range. Let's take a look at this. The US controls almost 40% of Ethereum nodes, and together with Germany, which has 21%, dominate the rest of the world. A recent study of Ethereum network revealed that almost 60% of Ethereum nodes are controlled by countries such as the United States and Germany. Interest in the second most popular cryptocurrency, Ethereum, and its network are growing again as it exceeds $1,800. But when it comes to the concentration of the Ethereum network and nodes itself, Finbold analyst brings interest findings. This analysis focused on all nodes running on the Ethereum network as of March 9th, 2021, and yields the top 10 countries with the highest numbers. Here you can see the top 10 countries with the highest number of Ethereum nodes, being the first one United States with almost 37%, Germany with 21%, and France third over 5%. The US and Germany runs 58%, over 58% of all the Ethereum nodes globally. So they are the pioneers of the Ethereum nodes. Let's take a look at this news right here. JPMorgan launching crypto exposure basket featuring MicroStrategy and Square, the financial services giant that filled paperwork with the SEC to launch a debt instrument linked to 11 crypto-focused firms. JPMorgan's cryptocurrency exposure basket March 2021 is described as an unequal weighted basket consisting of 11 reference stocks of US listed companies that operate business directly and indirectly related to cryptocurrencies. The instrument allocated 20% to MicroStrategy, the data analytics firm with 91,064 BTC on its balance sheet. It also provides direct exposure to Square and Riot blockchain, 15%, to companies with significant exposure to Bitcoin, Nvidia Corporation, and PayPal holdings each account for 15% of the basket. We also have some other companies here in the basket, and the prospectus states the weight of the reference stocks were determined based in part of the exposure to Bitcoin, correlation to Bitcoin, and liquidity. JP Morgan says payouts are based on how the basket of companies perform. The minimum investment is $1,000 with a maturation date of May 2022. The new product represents one of many ways institutional investors can gain exposure to high-flying cryptocurrency markets. Wall Street is already flocking to digital currencies, which largely explains the strong price support underlying Bitcoin. JP Morgan Bank filling with the SEC a debt instrument so people can have exposure to these 11 crypto-focused firms. Guys, let's take a look at this news. Grayscale, firm behind leading Bitcoin trust, is hiring ETF specialists. 9 new job postings indicate Grayscale is considering joining the race to win the SEC's first Bitcoin ETF approval. Digital asset management Grayscale might be on the cusp of trying to launch a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, according to a new job posting. A Bitcoin ETF is a retail accessible trading vehicle that can give both individuals and institutions exposure to Bitcoin market without having to hold Bitcoin itself. The industry has long claimed for an ETF, with various firms filling applications to the US Securities and Exchange Commission as far back as 2013. Grayscale has previously not applied for an ETF, and they have more than 500,000 Bitcoin. They have over 3% of the total supply of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at this news over here. Wave of institutional clients at Goldman Sachs are diving into Bitcoin and crypto markets, according to senior executive Matthew McDermott, head of digital asset at Goldman Sachs Global Market Division, says the New York-based investment bank is witnessing a huge institution demand for Bitcoin and the crypto market. In a Goldman Sachs market update, McDermott reveals that institution interest in digital assets at the Wall Street firm is accelerating among a wide array of large investors. In terms of institutional demand, we have seen no signs of that abating, and when we talk about institutional demand, we talk about the whole cross-section of the industry sectors. I'm referring to hedge funds, to asset managers, to macro funds, to banks, to corporate treasuries, insurance and pension funds. I think it's pretty fair to say that all of that institutional client discussion is really focused around Bitcoin. 40% of the clients currently have exposure to cryptocurrencies. The Goldman Sachs executive also reveals that more than half of the survey respondents intend to expand their digital asset portfolio in the coming months. Absolutely insane. The demand is growing every single week, guys. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We got great tutorials, reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We got the latest news and technical analysis, price predictions. You need to check out the website. It is absolutely great for information. I'll be leaving a link in the description. And if you haven't seen my Bybit leverage trading platform tutorial, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.